A man has been charged with the murder of Food Network star and her husband. Cristie Codd and her husband Joseph of Leicester, North Carolina, were reported missing on Sunday, and now police have charged Robert Jason Owens with 2 counts of first-degree murder, 1 count of murder of an unborn child, breaking and entering, and larceny after breaking and entering. Christie, who was a competitor on the 8th season of the show Food Network Star, was 5 months pregnant. Fox Carolina reports that authorities believe Christie, 38, and Joseph, 45, were killed on Thursday, and that Owens returned to the couple's home on Sunday and ran off with their laptop computer, jewelry and a Glock handgun.